Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making an ice queen crown. So it's going to be a crown that is made all of icicles. And how I'm going to be doing that is I'm going to be using hot glue, some clear, like glittery sparkles, and a plate. So what you're going to do first, you're going to start off by basically you're going to make the icicles on your plate. So to do that, let's just you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now that you have your plate like so, you're just going to take your hot glue gun and obviously put glue in it, wait for it to heat up, and then you're just going to make icicles. So I'm starting off by using the most of the glue at the bottom and running it up. So you will need to use quite a bit of glue to do this. And then you can just make them however long you want, however short you want, etc. And then once it's dry, because it does dry fairly quickly, you're just going to peel them off. But wait for it to fully dry because it's not fully dry yet. So just continue working on, oh my god, dog hair. Continue working on your other ones until your first one's dry, and then you can just peel them right off. I'm gonna get a knife. To make the base, you're just gonna go around your plate in the circular motion with your hot glue, just making the layers constant. That's what your icicles should look like. So there is the crown part, so it's just a normal circle, and now you're just gonna glue your icicles on going upward. So the very first icicle was this one, so you're just going to take more hot glue and attach it going up. So you basically just keep making those layers all the way around until you have your whole crown covered in icicles. So I'm gonna do that quickly. Well, not quickly, I'm gonna do that, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. So once you have your base done, you'll start attaching the icicles just by gluing them on. This whole project is made strictly just with glue and glitter, and if you notice that like the icicles like this start to fall down, all you gotta do is glue, put a little bit of hot glue on the icicle that's next to it, and then just attach it to it, and then it'll stand up. So that goes for the same ones that are starting to curl backwards or curl forwards. You just have to stick some glue on the neighboring icicle, and it'll stand straight up. So icicles, when they don't form straight, they don't form perfect. It's like snowflakes, they're all different. None of them are ever gonna look identical or to the same. So don't worry about making them look super alike, because they definitely won't. So you just gotta continue making your icicles. So I like to, how I've started to do it, because it was really hard to get them off at first, I just make the base of the icicle, and then I just drag my glue gun up, and then I just do another layer here, and I just play with the glue that I've already laid down, and I just drag it up to form a line. And then you can always add more glue as you go. Just make a circle, and then you drag it up and just make jagged lines, because icicles are pretty jagged. And of course, icicles are all different sizes, so make small ones, make big ones, make medium ones. Doesn't matter. And then you just wait for it to dry, peel it off, and glue it on. So this is glued down to my plate still, because that's just, as I'm going with the glue, it's just starting to adhere to the plate, but you can definitely just pull it off. Just gotta lift it, and then it comes off like this, and then that's your crown. So this is a very weightless crown, so don't worry. And you're gonna make numerous layers going all the way around, so you're gonna need a lot of glue. Therefore, your icicles will actually stand straight up. Right now, it's just like the first layer, so it's just gonna be flimsy. But as you keep going around and you keep building it up, it'll stand up straight. So to get it off, you just gotta wait for it to dry fully. And then as your icicles are wet, if you wanted to add the glitter to the glue while it's wet, that would be the best time to do it, because then the sparkles will stick to the glue. I'm not going to do that until the very last layer, the layer that I put in the very front, because those ones will be the ones with the most shimmer on it, and then I may paint some glitter on it in a bit, but I'm just going to continue going around, and I will come back and talk to you guys when I'm on the last layer. So this is the finished crown. So I just did a little tiara. There's a couple I've seen online where they go all the way around, and I just don't have enough glue or patience to do that. As you guys saw in the video, it was a little bit hard to get the glue off of my plate at first. I got the hang of it pretty quickly, and it does get easier. It just takes a couple wiggling around with it. So I didn't add sparkles to it yet or anything. This is just what it looks like. With my hair unstyled, so it's just like a simple ice queen crown. It's very pretty. It is very flimsy though, so like keep that in mind. But I'm keeping it flimsy like this because I'm going to be having a wig on my head, and wigs, obviously your hair, it makes your hair thicker, and it makes it just a little bit more support. So I'm leaving it flimsy like this. You can definitely, to fix it from being so flimsy, if you want it to be stiffer, all you would have to do is keep adding layers on the back to make it more sturdy basically. But all you need is glue. You just need a hot glue gun and glue to make this. All you gotta do is make the icicles on a plate, make the band that goes around your head on the plate, and it's really that simple. It takes about an hour to do because getting the glue off of the plate was kind of a pain in the ass. But other than that, it's pretty simple. I will leave the video down below of the girl's video that I followed. She has a really good tutorial on how to do this, so if you guys want to watch hers instead, I'll link it down below. But yeah guys, this is just the simple ice queen crown that I made for my next SFX video. So keep an eye out for that. If you guys do like my videos, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And we are almost at 200 subscribers. Once we hit 200, we are going to be doing another giveaway. So make sure you hit that button and keep an eye out for the next giveaway. Have a good day, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.